first day I plan to do a lot of things in hustle and bustle, but yeah, there's a whole lot of planning required. So I was able to clear like 2-3 categories. We have shipped them and we'll be redoing the inventory and starting the fragrance heist. What is the fragrance heist? It's like the whole theme based on Netflix. Number one, Money Heist, and we're going to do something creative there. So I'm going to tell you how it's going to work, a rough idea. We are just clearing the old orders first. Then we're going to redo the inventory. Whatever is left, we'll be putting it on the heist. So that is the whole plan. And today's work, we have pretty much... Okay guys, I think panicking won't help. We need a little bit of planning. So what I have done is divided entire thing into retail pack tester, alternative, cheapy, and sample exchange, and the things we need to do in between that. So these are our alternative getting bottled, and he's the guy, Nikhil. So today, normally I prefer doing it, mostly I get the formulation done myself, how many percent, because every perfume has a different percentage based on, you know, how their profile is. Like that's our Rishikesh, I've created that on one of the videos itself. So these are all what we are getting done. These are like first batch of orders getting ready to go. After that I have to do more batches, but let's get these started. I have a huge task of labeling them, which is coming after this. So these are like how we do the alternative. It's a bit tedious. Even I love getting the factory presentation done because, you know, there's so much lesser of a work. It's all like, but it needs huge investment, of course, and more planning. So let's see. That would be our focus going ahead. So one batch of shipment is left. So we were able to clear around 10% of them, and now we are sending out these ones. This we did a promo for mini 20 ml raw steel and all. So basically it's important once we clear these, then only we'll be able to do a sale by knowing the exact inventory and commit to you guys with the delivery time. We have Berong Diwali there. We have, so now you could get an idea what people are buying. That will give you a picture. So we have Lord Nishane here, Berong Bali, a lot of Amens, Alexa Concrete is here, a couple of Paris Corners. Then we have lot of Titans and alternatives. Yes, alternative is a whole new thing. Let me show you that. It's pretty messed up. We have to cut these labels. Earlier we used to get them whole cut in a bundle, but now the times are not the same. So Astra's gonna cut them. So it's like Xandria, Alexandria 2, Alexa 30 milli bottles, 100 mls are sold out. So we are doing 30 ml here. This is Diorum Sport 1. This is our DHI. This is our Rebellious Rose. This is MFK Silk Mood, Silk Root, Oud Musk Radioactive. It's a hybrid of Rosas, Amber Oud and Musk Oud, Delhi Sultanate. For this you have to check out the link. I'm gonna redo the label for now. I have some 6-7 bottles to ship out. Then there are some COD orders which we're gonna convert them to prepaid because Blue Dart is not taking COD. This is African Whip inspired by African Leather Memo, and this is Ego Trip. Ego is platinum. And how many bottles we are doing today? I think this is around 20% of the lot we'll be shipping, but it requires, I'm gonna take you around, the labeling is going on. So this was our new concept which actually took off. So this is our new concept for frag boxes. Again, a lot of manual work is required. So say this box set, it's messed up because there are various sets there. So this is like Ultra Luxe. So all fragrances, alternatives inspired by Rosa Dove, Georgioff go into that. So this is like RD, I guess. So you will see Koharam, Khatra, Hastinapur. Then we have Musk Oud, Radioactive, Asylum. Then we have this is Ambrate Muskets. I've changed them, Radioactive Amber and Radioactive Musk. This is Rasputin, which is Daigla, and this is Principle of Lust, Enigma. So this set, I had like 6 orders of them, so I just got it prepared, and it took me an hour or so to get these done, to get the samples made, to print the labels, stick them, and then assemble them together. So but these looks gorgeous. I'm gonna make a lot of them. You can check it out, frag box categories there on website. These are Rishikesh. Now, these were some which we did before. So this is Layton, our alternative of PDM Layton, which is called 1000 BHP. Super potent, guys. Look at this color. I'll be doing a review for them. So I'm getting my review bottles ready. This is Ego Trip Platinum Ego is 50 ml again. Sorry, this is 30 ml. Because see guys, 30 50 right now I don't have much option but to ship out whichever bottles are ready. So I think I'm running out of bottles as well, but once we are done with alternative, we'll be doing a lot of sampling. This is Alexa, the labeling is yet to be done. This is Versace Off Fresh inspired Air is Fresh by Quality Control. This is PDM Percival Doors of Perception. This is actually a surprise. This is Thierry Mugler Pure Havan in extract format, and this is actually Quality Control because we have amped up the whole performance. This is Drip 4. This is African Whip, African Leather again. I think these would be labels I have just got done. Initial ones we have to do. I think there's 4 hours of task remaining on these one. This is Diorum Sport Vintage Ginger X Quality Controlled version. This is Megalomaniac Mephisto Prodigified Gold. I think I'll need to redo the size of this one. This one is QC Cherry, Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. Super potent stuff, guys. And this is QC Cypress, Italian Cypress, discontinued. Why it's called Quality Control? We are amping it up. Plus we are picking up all the fragrances which are really discontinued, like this one. This is Vetiver de Babylon by Armani Privé. Our name is Roots de Babylon, amped up and super fresh morning vetiver. And there are a couple of more which I am excited for. Like this is like super potent Oud Delhi Sultanate. Perfumologist Umo, that is the best barbershop you would ever sniff. Virgin Island. So we have a lot of alternatives here. This is our Rishikesh. This one I've created on YouTube. You can check my previous videos, and this is how the label is going to be. This is getting ready, so I think I'm gonna close this with this label, and this is how it looks. There we go. Ta-da! This is Rishikesh, and absolutely divine. It smells gorgeous. Temples, Ghat, sandalwood, real saffron, and lot of natural ingredient to it, like sandalwood, lot of flowers. So for description you can check it out. It's a combination of natural and synthetic, so I have written a write-up on it. This is Red Samoa, which is Quality Control version again of Mancera Red Tobacco. Imagine, guys, and this 50 ml going for $1,500 or internationally for $30 is a steal deal. And the presentation with these pumps are like French pumps. I mean, now we are getting the whole supply is short. I think I won't be able to do many of these because for next 1 month or so, because I don't have much sprayers left. So whatever is left, I'm getting it done to close old orders. So we'll be putting a pause on it. But yeah, I would have some couple of them coming on clearance, whichever after clearing order, whichever we are left with. So I feel a little sad about it, but we'll figure out a way. We'll work out a way for it. So today's day, we were able to sort out retail packs, testers, Titan Skin, and alternative. Sample exchange is a huge task. Fragbox I tried to start, but then I don't have much time. It's already time's up. I'm running 2 hours late. I have to. So these are our Dolce Pineapple orders going. We are doing batch processing. This is my Celtic Frost. Celtic Frost is Asylum with there's a coolant. If you guys have followed me, there was something called Aqua Citrica. This is like heat killer. You put 2 sprays on neck and the back, and as you sweat, it gives you a chilling effect for good 1.5 2 hours. So it's like absolutely unique thing that we are doing. We have tested it before, but now we are doing it at a level so that most of the people could. The temperature is too high, and this is something which no one have tried before. So these samples are going, and I'll put these samples on site as well. Check it out. Alright guys, so almost 3-4 days, and we were like literally stuck in a backlog. It's a huge backlog. Apart from that, it was almost a deadlock where there's no way out. We don't know where to start the work from. So yeah, so this is the time we realize like how important it is to divide the work batch wise, plan it efficiently, Earlier we never used to do that, but now if we see only thing we need to, come to office is for assembling, so we could do all the tasks which are like label making, and then all those we could do it at home. And there's cloud printing available. We have printed all the labels on cloud, so everything was right here. So we have to like come here for 4 hours, get everything done, and zoop, 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 zoop. So like 25% less capacity, 50% less time, and then you have 200 times backlog, because normally what we used to do, we are like, until unless we don't clear the backlog, we can't go on to the new sales. So I think this is a scenario which every business would be struggling. And so what we have done is, there are a lot of embargoes. So we have segregated embargoes here, ready to ship. This is one of my distributors. So one thing, earlier we used to get stuff here. Now we are, to get those delay to minimum, we're getting it processed from then and there itself. We have our distributors who are trusted for 10 years. And 10 years is a really, really long time, or 8 years. So definitely there's going to be no mishap. I really do not work with new vendors. Pretty easy. And so decancellation I have to do. So if you see, we have segregated so that these are all COD which I have to cancel. There are over 300 orders which I need to cancel, but no worries. No overcommitment is the key. So same way, this I have to close. We are done with like 70%, 80%. So in a good shape right now. So I'm a little relieved and a little exhausted too. So I will show you the next fresh episode. We have done with the backlog. We are starting the heist. That's my new promotion on fragrances. You're gonna love it. So it's a messier office right now. I'll just give you a look of office right now. Guys, as I showed you here, we had a lot of bottles which we had to clear. And yeah, I have like 80 or so frag boxes. We have to manually make it. That's a lot of work altogether. I'll show you the end results of 4 days. This is my bottle of Ego Trip. It looks beautiful. And the smell is, it's like Ego is platinum, amazingly good. This is Alexa 30 ml because 100 ml is sold out. We are only doing 30 ml. I have a flanker also coming, which is called Icy Alexa. That's not Alexa Concrete. This is Aris Fresh, Versace Man of Fresh, and this is Umo Intense. Umo Intense by Valentino. It's Drip 3. Drip is my gourmand line, and this is QC Cherry and QC Grey. This QC is actually my TF line. So this is like Lost Cherry, this is Grey Vetiver, this is Tuscan Leather, and this is like the best ever. Forget about La Yuquam, forget about any Golden Boy Duetto, forget about all leather scent, and this is the classic original Tuscan Leather, quality controlled by your own perfumologist. That's me. This is Hero 555 BHP because, and then we have this is Ojan 777 BHP. This is Red Samoag. Sadly, I'm not left with pump, so I won't be able to put this on sale pretty soon. These are yet to be labeled, and I think I'm done with. And we have done a lot of sample orders as well. They are cleared most. It's a mess, but hopefully will be done. So these are some more going today. So and now I'll be working out how I can process 100, 200, 500 or 1000 samples in one day. That's what we'll be doing. This is entire thing we are changing. It's time for change, guys. We can't work how we have worked before. No doing like this. These racks will be using for fulfillment, where we could keep our parcels. So these all are coming on clearance. These all are coming on clearance and at a very great price. So stay tuned for it. The next heist, the hint is going here. That's the event, the perfume heist. The sample heist is starting by like probably before my second video. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'll start my second video with the sample heist, and where I'm giving away all these vials, and all the money that you spend in buying these will be making sanitizers out of them, and will be distributing it. Simple as that. Of course, you will also get our designer or a niche sanitizer. This is my Dracanoa one. I'm working on label as well. Right, guys, Mohit from Project Perfumery India. Check it out. Let's get back to work, roaring, soaring like before or even better. Alright, guys, cheers. Bye-bye. This used to be our perfume studio. We used to make perfumes here, gift boxes here. We have turned it into a sanitizer assembling thing. So what we are doing, we have got this sanitizer factory made. So these we are labeling. This is our first lot of 1,000 sanitizer, and this is third lot is also getting prepared. So 3,000 we are giving away. It's a huge target in 2020 to distribute 1 million sanitizer. It's more like a tandem cycle. It's more like an algorithm. I'm putting the link how this algorithm works. I'll explain on some other video. So this is nothing but Dragon Ship. Dragon Ship is my Drakkar Noah inspiration, but I had the oil, but rather than sending out samples, I tried to put the same amount of oil in a sanitizer, so we got scented sanitizers. This is how it looks. This is version 1. And it smells absolutely good. It's like say goodbye to medicinal smelling, hospital smelling sanitizers, and these are some good smelling sanitizers. This version 1 right now, I have noticed couple of defects in this. This is like the pin one, we'll be replacing it with a sprayer. We'll get a better bottle. There's a shortage of bottles, so we are not able to get options, and there are a couple of more things which we'll be doing in this. We'll be launching a lot of other fragrances too. This one is our Gucci Guilty Absolute, and it smells astonishing. This is my Fev Delicious, but this is too strong. It gives alcohol blast at the beginning, but after that it's like seductive tonka. So these are like our sanitizer. You could try out. Basically, I'm sending, if you like this sanitizer smell, all you have to do is scan the QR code and you can buy the same perfume on our website. So it looks like a mess right now, but we'll get it sorted. And this is what's coming on my next sale. So these all products are basically the clearance, 1 unit, 2 unit. All of these I'll be putting on sale from, stay tuned for that for my next video. All these would come on sale there. So these are our first day sanitizer shipments going on. We have pretty much automated the process, and not automated, it's like semi-manual, but towards automation. Not in really good shape, so not doing front cam, and these are our the other heist that we have done. These are all Dolce pineapple, so we have added sanitizers with them as well, along with my next release sample. So that was like how all is like restart day 7 have been.